Hello there and welcome back to another video. This time I'm going to show you how to change article details in your quotations. Let's have a look together. So first we need to find a quote for which we want to change the detail. And one way to find it is through administration quotes and over here search for your quotation. Otherwise you can go to projects, all projects, and then open the project for yourself and then click on click open the quote. So this is the quotation that I already created, but right now I want to change the quantity, the tax code and price and so on. So for changing the quantity, you can easily just change the quantity as I'm doing it right now. For tax code as well, you can just click on this drop down menu and change the tax code as well as the price. But one thing that is important here to know is that changing the tax code and the price here will not change the let's say tax code and price for the setting, I mean generally for this item, but it will just do it now in this specific quotation. So don't worry if you want to change price or tax code for a quotation, this will not change the general setting for your article or for your item. You're also able to change the tax code in bulk, so you need to click on this button, tax code bulk, and just change the tax code in bulk. Like I'm going to do it here because this is only one item, but if I want to change the tax code in bulk for this, let's say a category over here, I just click on this button over here and change the tax code in bulk, and as you can see the tax code is changed now. One more thing that I wanted to explain to you here is if you want to be able to see the margin of each of your articles, you just need to click on this button, toggle this option, more details, and as you can see, this new column is added, and you can see the margin per article, and over here the margin on your whole quotation. If you want to give a discount to your specific client, you're just able to let's say 25%, which is actually too much, or 5% discount, and this is how you can add discount to your quotation. After you're finished changing everything you need to change, you just click on save, and then afterwards click on finalize and pick your template and generate it. See you in the next video.